Hello guys, welcome to our today's class. Today we're working with Intermedio Uno and Unit 1B, okay? And the objective of today's class is say where you are from and use numbers, okay? So, and for this class we are going to start with the first question, and this question is, where are you from? Okay, where are you from? Okay, and you have to answer with your country. Okay, what about you? Where are you from? Okay, correct. Yes, very good. So in that case we say, I'm from Chile. Okay, so because in this case we're talking about the country. Of course, you can also say I'm from Santiago, I'm from San Bernardo, but it doesn't matter. In this case, I'm from Chile. Okay, but the most important part that we are going to see today is the use of this verb here, the use of the verb to be. Okay, so what do we have here is the verb to be. In this case, it's abbreviated because in this case is I am from. It says Okay, so we're going to talk about the verb to be and the meanings and how to conjugate this verb. Okay, here we have the verb to be in this case, yeah? These are the personal pronouns, okay. Why? ¿Por qué tan importante el verbo to be? Porque es la base de muchas preguntas y es como la base de lo que usted va a aprender. A diferencia de los demás verbos, el verbo to be cambia su forma usando los diferentes pronombres. Por ejemplo, si yo digo el verbo trabajar, I work, you work, they work. Por ejemplo, estos verbos nunca cambian, siempre mantienen la mayoría de su forma. Entonces, por eso es que el verbo to be se enseña aparte, porque es un poco más complicado, porque cambia. Por ejemplo, I am, you are, he is. Different than in this case, okay? But that's the thing. Okay, how do you say, what's the meaning of the verb to be in Spanish? It has two meanings. Tiene dos significados. Exacto, correct. Ser o estar. Okay, so this is the use of the verb to be. And in this part, for example, with the question, when we ask the question, where are you from? Where are you from? And you say, I'm from Chile. Okay? Another question. The same, but in this case, it's about another person. Where is she from? She's from Mexico, for example. Okay? So that is the way in which we ask about when you are direct to the other person. Where are you from? And in this case, when you ask about another person. But in this case, the most important part is that we use the verb to be. That is here, to be. Okay? So you can see it. Please repeat. I am. You are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Okay, that's good. Don't forget that, don't forget. Tú, yo, tú, él, ella, esto, esta, nosotros, ustedes, ellos. Yeah, don't forget that. Yeah, that is the thing about the verb to be. Okay, and in this case, this is the verb to be in the affirmative form, okay? The affirmative. Now we are going to see how to make the verb to be in questions. How do we use the verb to be in questions? Pay attention. Okay, look at this part. Here we have the interrogative form. of the verb to be. And something that you can see here is that we change the order of the sentence. So you see here in the affirmative form we say I am, and what is a question we say am I? In the affirmative form we say you are, but when you ask a question you say are you? For example, we are going to ask a question in this part. For example, if somebody asks you, are you married? Or in this case, is she single? Okay, what can you say in this case? If I ask you directly to you, are you married? And there are two possibilities. We can say yes or we can say no. Okay? Are you married? And if you are married, you say yes, I am. If you are not, you say no, I'm not. You see, in this case, yes I am, no I'm not. Okay? So in this case, we answer with this, with I, because somebody is asking about ourselves. So somebody is asking me, okay? Alguien me está preguntando directamente a mí, ¿eres casado? Por eso que yo respondo con él, yo, okay? Let's go to the other question. Is she single? So we're going to answer. And in this case, it's the same. We have two possibilities, yes or no. But in this case, we are asking about she. So in this case, we say yes, correct. Yes, she is. Very good. Yes, she is. Okay, and what happened in the case of the, if you say, the negative form, you say, no, she, and look at this part, no, she isn't, because it's negative. Yeah. No, she isn't. Okay, so, and this is the way that we ask the question with the verb to be. Okay, you can also ask another question. For example, you say, are they from Chile? Or no? Are you from Argentina, for example? Another question. We can ask that question. Are you from Chile? Are you from Chile? Okay, so in this case it's different. Pay attention, in this case it's not tú. In this case it's tú. In this case is usted. So the answer is different. Are you from Chile? Si yo le pregunto a ustedes, ¿son de Chile? Y ustedes dicen, sí, nosotros, no somos. So in this case we say, yes, we are, or no, correct, we aren't. So that's it. That's the way in which we ask the question, using the verb to be, of course, in the interrogative form. Okay, what happened in the case of the negative form? In this case, it's different. What happened with the negative? Okay, in the case of the negative form, we just add not for all of them. For example, I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, and they are not. That's the thing, okay? Of course, most of the time, in this case, we make the abbreviation and we say, I'm not. Or in the case of this three, we say, he isn't. Okay? Sorry, in this case. Or in the case of this one, in this one we say, we aren't. That is the other abbreviation. The same like here. No, in this case of negative, we say, you aren't. This is the abbreviation for the negative form.